That's a 3. That's a 3 Boeing 737 for Transavia, guys. There's one here, right 12 o'clock. There's one 11, and there's another one around 10ish. All right, so 737 guys. I'm going to cover the three of them, and as you can see, look further. There's another one over there, and then behind there's the tippy coming, and this is a 737-800 8K2. There's another one also there. You can see just right there. Okay, right now we're going to focus on this one. From far away it's Foxtrot Golf, and then it's far away. I cannot see properly there the registration. You can see both of aircraft. They are here, the 2737. Okay, stand by. Come to a complete stop, and then I shall taxi shortly. Waiting for the clearance. And both 737-800 are just line up, taxiing towards the runway. As I was saying, you see, Transavia has got many of these aircraft. It's actually, you know, the company in France, which in Europe actually, you know, there's others, but I'm talking from what I see right now here in front of me. They've got a considerable number of 737-800. So they have a considerable number of them. Taxiing beautifully and positioning on a runway. It's going to be a roll takeoff or a standing takeoff. Yes. A roll takeoff. I can hear it. Full power. Full power. That's a 737-8K2. It's a Golf Zulu Hotel uniform. Golf Zulu Hotel uniform. There it is. And then we have a tippy which is going into the parking bay, and the other one it's taxiing towards the runway. That is airport to go. We have 737-8K2 Transavia. Shall give you the registration of the aircraft. TP also is following. That's Airbus A321. Obviously, you can see the cabin. I mean, the fuselage is stretched, so it's a 321. Okay, full power. That was a standing takeoff. There we go, full power. Give you the registration. That is a Golf Zulu Hotel Papa. Golf Zulu Hotel Papa. There it is.